Remember I posted Monster Hunt Discord giveaway video? It seems like many people couldn't claim it. That's why I will do it again and show you how to claim it. But folks, before that, your account needs to have Nitro just to receive that offer in your gift inventory. Now, all you gotta do is, make an account on Monster Hunt, and play games to collect points or gems. Now come to this gift Nitro option where you got the offer. You will receive this code, just copy it. Now come to Discord Nitro blog, and click redeem link. All the links will be in the description. Here, you need to sign in using your same Monster Hunt account. And now just paste the code. Let's see if that works. And now come back to the game. You can claim these 3 green blue orb thingies. But where the hell is Nitro? Am I the only one who got everything but Nitro? Or maybe, I didn't get Nitro because I already have Nitro? Bro, seriously, I don't even know. But you can try it and see if it works. But if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button. In meantime, I will fight this dinosaur.